here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. It could be just your home screen, or it could be settings, anything you want. And then what you have to do is to press power key and volume down at the same time, like this. Let me try once again. And as you can see, that's how screenshot is taken. Power key, volume down. Just like this. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, crop, and other stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.